The Greater Cleveland Film Commission, we kind of do a lot of things. Most people think of a film commission, support production, do permits, location scouting, and things like that. We do that, and we have a great production coordinator, Sarah Daring, who handles those requests. But really, we've taken on the challenge of economic development and workforce development. What we're trying to do is build a film industry here, a proper industry. So it's not just wooing the one-of movies here and everybody getting excited about it that come and don't leave anything behind. What we're trying to do is build this from the ground up with infrastructure. We want to create, 2,000 jobs in the next few years that don't exist here in an industry that doesn't exist here right now. What interests me is creating jobs. So what creates jobs, especially at the beginning of this incentive program, is the smaller budget films. Because the smaller budget film is, they have to hire locally. It's in their interest to use as many goods and services and as much crew as possible locally. And that's what's interesting to me. I want to make sure that our people are working. I want to make sure that our businesses are getting the deals and the business from those productions. I believe Cleveland is an untapped gold mine. I think it's one of the most beautiful cities in the United States, and it hurts me that people don't know about it. What people don't know about Ohio and Cleveland and Northeast Ohio specifically is that there's nothing you can't do here. You can't do mountains and you can't do desert, but we can do everything else within 35, 40 minutes from downtown Cleveland. And it is a prime place for filmmakers to come and make, and make their film. Also, we have a 25% tax incentive, which is competitive with any state in the country. It's a well-structured incentive. It's easy to use, and not having that, we wouldn't even be able to do this. Now that we have this, it puts us on the map. I'm struck by what the producers of The Soloist said. When they first came, they're like, why'd you move from LA? And and I'm like, just give me 24 hours and I'll show you what we have here. Not only did the director love it and choose to shoot here when he could have shot anywhere, but when they left, they said, Cleveland has so much opportunity. And I hope that, this is before our incentive, that you get the incentive so people have the opportunity to come here, because it truly is a beautiful city and people just don't know about it. As these movies shoot here, they're going to go away talking about how great Cleveland is. Our goal is to make sure that people who come and film here have not only do they get to make their movie and create jobs, but I want them, just as importantly, to have an amazing experience. I want them to experience East 4th and West 6th. I want them to experience all the sports teams and the access to those things. And when they're scouting or they're filming something, that not everything's easy. That no matter what they want to do, no matter what type of film you have, you can do that here in Northeast Ohio. And there's no doubt in my mind that the more films we have here, they are going to be one of our best ambassadors, because they're the ones who are going to go back to Los Angeles or New York and spread the word about how great Cleveland is and what a great experience they've had here.